All right, y'all. So this entire back area, all this old system's gotta go. It's gonna get rebuilt from scratch. Not too long ago, y'all, I came out here and did my first initial cleaning. However, today, y'all, we start breaking ground and really getting serious. Start laying out this whole entire garden. So I'm going to clear out the rest of what I gotta clear out. Ah, papaya, papaya, papaya. I know right now it doesn't look like much out here. It's mostly bare dirt, a dream. But this thing's gonna thrive once again. The goal this time around for my garden is to do more than just plant out a market garden, y'all. I want to actually combine my love for permaculture as well as market gardening, boom, into one small space. Making it to where my family has enough food for all the birds and pollinators around here. At the same time, having enough to take to market so they can actually support what we got going on around here. I'll be living and working in a thriving ecosystem, not just playing with row crops. Right now, y'all, I've already started roughing in a few ideas to get a feel for the space. The main order of business for me is canopy. How is this canopy gonna lie? Because this canopy is actually gonna play a really big factor as to what it is we're gonna be growing underneath the canopy, which is for now mostly our leafy greens, because they do not need all that zone 9 summertime sunshine. I need to make sure that the shade is gonna fall down on the crops I'm gonna have here below. And I thought it would be really cool to actually make our own canopy with just different fruit trees that I like to eat around here and that I can also offer to you guys at the same time. So I got the overall look I think I'm going for. That's in terms of walkways and all that other stuff. Honestly, y'all, the idea is already happening in the front yard. The trees are still young. However, the space is already starting to feel way more alive as I pull dead leaves off my trees. The next couple of months, y'all, I expect it to look similar back here as well. There's gonna be more shade, more diversity, more pollinators, so just more life. Yeah, I genuinely thought I was gonna come out here and finish this section this week, but that ain't gonna happen. It ain't gonna happen. Even a section this size, man, something this small, actually takes a little bit more work. The majority of you guys just see a bunch of dirt and dust, man. But to be honest with you guys, this is the beginning stages of an ecosystem. We got the walkways locked in, got the perennial structure getting formed. Literally walking down one of my pathways right now. This will all be harvesting. My production space is pretty much mapped out. And over the next few weeks and months, y'all, you're gonna really start to see this thing come to life. That being said, I still have a lot to do. Still have irrigation to put in, drop in more compost on her, as well as making our decisions for the final resting place for these trees, as well as seeding. This is just day one. I'll talk to y'all soon, man. Peace.